The letter Ra in the Tajweed rules sometimes is pronounced thick and sometimes it's pronounced thin. And you have 8 occasions when it's pronounced thick and 4 occasions when it's pronounced thin. And then you have 2 occasions when it is pronounced either way. You have the rules that are both ways are allowed. And that's in the word firkin. And when you look at this, it's very interesting. In the word firkin, you have the Ra, that's sukoon, and because the letter before it is a kasra, a e, normally you pronounce it thin. But because you have a thick letter, qaf, after it, then it would be thick. But the thick letter has the in on it, so therefore it's both ways. You could do it either way. You could do it thick or thin on the Ra, on the word firkin. So that's very interesting on that. And likewise in the 2 words, al-kitr and al-misr. So normally speaking, kitr, the Ra is sakina, and the sakin is before it, and the letter before is a kasra, so therefore it would be thin. But because you have that thick letter before it, the ta, then you have it both ways. You could do it thick or thin, kitr. That's what you have. And likewise with misr, same thing. The Ra is a sukoon and a sukoon, and then 2 letters before it is a kasra, e, so normally speaking it would be thin, but because the sod is a thick letter, then it could be either way, could be thick or thin. So these are the 3 words in the Quran where both ways are allowed. So altogether there's 14 rules, 8 when it's thick, 4 when it's thin, and 2 when either way is allowed. And some of the ulama that have some other rules that are there, so you look in the other books of Tajweed, and they have some other exceptions that they mention as well. But this is the one that's found, normally speaking, that's found in the Shatibiyah, what they mention these rules here. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So on these 2 rules, the kitrin, the firkin, and the misr, and the kitr, person, they could do it either way to pronounce the Ra or the Ra sakin. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.